Radiotelephony Phraseology. Introduction. Purpose. This course contains a carefully sequenced selection of training materials, giving progressive, systematic practice in radiotelephony phraseology for pilots. The exercises are designed primarily to teach operational fluency in the routine phraseology for IFR flights. Unlike routine phraseology, the language of non-routine situations is not highly predictable. However, practice is also provided for a selection of non-routine situations, plus additional vocabulary work. This course is suitable for pilots or pilot trainees who wish to learn, or revise, the language used for radiotelephony communications. It is particularly suitable for people working at home or in a learning resources center. All the exercises are self-correcting. Organization. There are 5 parts to the course. Parts 1, trace the normal pattern of a flight as follows. Part 1, flight to line up. Part 2, takeoff to top of climb. Part 3, cruise to descent. Part 4, approach to parking. Each part is divided into sections which follow the normal sequence of events for each stage of a flight. For example, Part 1, pre-flight to line up, is divided as follows. 1. Departure information. 2. Route clearances. 3. Startup. 4. Pushback. 5. Taxi. Each section is divided into routine phraseology practice, and then non-routine exercises. These events are then followed by a review, which serves to bring together the phrases learned in each section. Each review contains model flight, live traffic. The exercises build up gradually to Part 5, which is the final review. In this part there are 2 simulations of complete flights, one an imaginary model flight, the other based on live traffic. Standard words and phrases. From ICAO Manual of Radiotelephony. The following words and phrases shall be used in radiotelephony communications as appropriate and shall have the meaning given below. Acknowledge, let me know that you have received and understood this message. Affirm yes. Approved, permission for proposed action granted. Break, I hereby indicate the separation between portions of the message. To be used where there is no clear distinction between the text and other portions of the message. Break, I hereby indicate the separation between messages transmitted to different aircraft in a very busy environment. Cancel, annul the previously transmitted clearance. Check, examiner system or procedure. No answer is normally expected. Cleared, authorized to proceed under the conditions specified. Confirm, have I correctly received the following? Or did you correctly receive this message? Contact, establish radio contact with. Correct, that is correct. Correction, an error has been made in this transmission, or message indicated. The correct version is. Disregard, consider that transmission as not sent. Go ahead, proceed with your message. How do you read? What is the readability of my transmission? I say again, I repeat for clarity or emphasis. Monitor, listen out on, frequency. Negative, no, or permission not granted, or that is not correct. Over, my transmission is ended and I expect a response from you. Note, SOL normally used in VHF communications. Out, this exchange of transmissions is ended and no response is expected. Note, normally used to indicate the end of an exchange of transmissions. Read back, repeat all, or the specified pan of this message back to me exactly as received. Character change has been made to your last clearance and this new clearance supersedes your previous clearance or part thereof. Report, pass me the following information. Request, I should like to know. Or I wish to obtain. Roger, I have received all of your last transmission. Note, under no circumstances to be used in reply to a question requiring readback. Or a direct answer in the affirmative, affirm, or negative, negative. Say again, repeat all, or the following pan of your last transmission. Speak slower, reduce your rate of speech. Stand by, wait, and I will call you. Verify, check and confirm with originator. Wilco, abbreviation for will comply. I understand your message and will comply with it. Words twice. A, as a request, communication is difficult. Please send every word or group of words twice. B, as information, since communication is difficult, every word or group of words in the message will be sent twice.